All right, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and it's time for another edition of Radio CB Skip Clips, and that's coming up next. All right, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and today we got the Midland 75822 listening to Super Bowl Channel 6. And we got Duck Plucker versus Bad Whiskey. You heard it here first. Let's take a listen.
I ain't got sense enough to be scared. Hey, Bad Whiskey, you tell Blockbuster I said any minute, mighty more. I ain't never been scared. I ain't never had this much sense. Hey, Blockbuster, Bad Whiskey, snatch and grab. Say, I laid it down. Do he want some? There it goes. Bye-bye.
It's Bad Whiskey. Trying to take out Bad Whiskey.
You get the root beans for the rice, you get the black beans for 45. When you do Jamaica, you always get peas and rice. Right. Cutting Mobile, getting on down. Hey, 45, so
You guys jumping in the action. Woodpecker.
Hey, 45, you get the...
45.
Like you, me too. I signed off for the world. Hey, Bad Whiskey, snatch and grab. Say any minute, mighty more, you ain't got to come back, cause the show is on me. Snatch and grab. Say bye-bye. Scoops it up. Hey, 45, 12 gauge. I know how to eat with my fingers. Right.
12 gauge.
Let me get on out of here, man. That cat big spider bugs out here ghost talking, man. And talking about he in the cat big Mobile. I don't understand why he want to keep trying to tell people he in the cat big Mobile, but I guess a man got to do what a man got to do.
All right, there you have it. Some CB radio skip clips coming in on the Midland 75822. Take your CB radio outdoors and enjoy. Special guest Woody Woodpecker, Bad Whiskey, and 45, and a bunch of others trying to step on him. And comment below, like it, subscribe. 640 AM The Mix. We'll catch you on the next video. Let's get back to the skip clips.